What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Kyle Steffens here. It is after Christmas. We are finally going to unload from the dome. I know people would say, why'd you wait so long? Well, been a lot going on, man. As you can tell in my voice, I got the dome flu and I was sick for almost 7 days. So luckily yesterday, Austin showed up and helped me organize some stuff in the shop. We're obviously working here at P+, always working. And so today we're going to unload the trailer. I got a cool new thing for Christmas. I got a drone, so we're gonna have some aerial view, unloading the trailer and washing the car today. So stay tuned. And I just wanted to kind of do a quick update vlog for you guys since the dome, that's where we're at right now, is unload today. It's supposed to snow, but Austin's gonna wash. And then we're gonna get the race car back in the shop, get it tore down. And the next thing, or the next plan of attack, is going to be the chili bowl. So the cars are at Dom's right now, and he's working on those. So luckily, I don't really have to mess with a lot of that right now. I'm just kind of trying to get all my program back in order over here. So, all right, guys, enjoy the rest of this video. One week later, after the dome flu and Christmas. Whew, Lord. Should have went up and used the high side, Kyle. All right. Oh. Lord. Not bad for the dome. Alright, so the car is on casters finally. Austin's going to pull doors and quarters off. It's a brisk 39 degrees today. We've got to do it. We got to get this done because the long months of winter have set in. January and February here now. So unfortunate, but it's what we got to do today. So I'm going to get the drone out and try to do some aerial footage and give you guys kind of some different content, different look at what we're doing on wash day. Alright, as you can see, she's stripped down. Panels are off. Pretty much got her down to bare. Gonna wash it and get it put back in the shop and start working on it for next year, along with all the other cars. All right, everything is washed up, back in the shop. Shop is getting back to being organized. Next up will be getting the trailer back in order and focusing on the chili bowl. The midget is at Zach Dom's. He's been working feverishly on it. So kind of excited just to show up and drive. A little better than showing up and having to haul the trailer and all the stuff. So that'll be kind of refreshing, but also I feel like sometimes when you don't wrench or build your stuff, you don't drive it as hard. So I feel like I need to go over and work on it. So hopefully he'll let me come work on it. That's the plan. Gotta thank Austin, England today for coming out. He washed and helped me unload and do all that stuff. I appreciate it, Austin. We got, I don't really want to show too much of the car with the body off of it because I know a lot of people out there want to screenshot and look at stuff, but basically we got the the whole body off this car after the dome, and we're just gonna rebuild it for next year. This car's only 3 races old. It ran Prairie Dirt Classic was my first race in it, ran 3rd. And then we took it to Brownstown Mars race. I think it was like a 5,000 to win, 55 lapper, and I was running 2nd, and we broke a shock there. And then the 3rd race was the dome, and we ended up 5th. So this new Elite car is probably like the best one I've ever had. It's really good. Nick builds great cars, of course, but like this one I feel like is really good. So I don't know if it's just because this car was built at Nick's shop, everything was done. It didn't come here with me building it. Nick built a lot of the stuff on this one, so that's maybe why it's better. But anyways, it's kind of a recap. This was trailer unload today, car out, car wash, stripped it down, and now it's back to rebuild mode and chili bowl mode. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Sorry I'm a little under the weather today. I'm a little monotone, still sick, but either way, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'm gonna keep trying to pump out new content for you guys. Thanks, happy holidays.